Let me go to QA32. I have already created few lots of 05 inspection type. Click on execute. So these are the lots which are already in the release state. So I can do the result recording for this lot. Let me select this and click on result. So I have two MIC. One is a qualitative MIC, another is a quantitative MIC. One of them is a single result recording, another is a summarized recording. And if you check the status here, initially it is one which is must be processed for both the MICs. And if we check the detail for the MIC, let me select this and we can check it in the environment. QM basic data and display master inspection characteristics. Here, this MIC control indicator I have specified as single result recording with the required characteristics, and the scope is fixed for it. Since it is a required characteristics, the MIC status initially is coming as 1, and for the second MIC also, I have kept the settings same only. In the QM basic data, it's a measurable MIC with the summarized recording and the required characteristics. And in that also, I have kept the scope as fixed only. So that's why the status is coming as 1, which means must be processed. So if I don't enter the result for these two MICs, let me come out of it. And if I will do the usage decision directly, then you will get the message that you have not completed all the characteristics. And if I still try to enter the duty code, this message will come with informing you that it is a post-inspection completion. Let me come out of it. I am not entering it. So if you don't close the MIC, then you will get this message that you are forcefully closing the lot. Let's do the result recording for this lot, and let me enter some value here. Since it's a single result recording, I'm just entering say accepted in this case. And for this also, let me enter say 5 here in this, press enter key, and now both the MIC status has been changed to 5 and are evaluated. Now if I try to do the usage decision, this time I'm not getting that message. And even when you are trying to do the usage decision or entering the codes, the pop-up is not coming previously, which was coming. And let me save this. So this lot will be removed once I refresh it from the list. Now let's take second lot, which is also in the release state. Okay, so let's do the result recording, and here initially again the status is 1 only for both the MIC. Okay, and if I don't enter the result for this MIC and still try to close the MIC. Okay, so let me select this MIC and click on close. Then this message is coming, error message, which will inform me that if I still want to close this MIC, then it will be a forced completion. Initially, the status is 1 only, and I have the option to close it forcefully. Even this button is there, force closure, which will allow me to forcefully close the MIC without even entering the result. Sometimes there is a requirement to close the MIC without entering the result for this. So if I select say force closure here, you need to enter the valuation. Let me enter say accepted for this MIC, continue. And now the status has been changed from 1 to 5. I haven't entered any result for the MIC, but the valuation we need to enter. And for the second MIC, let me again enter here the inspected quantity required is 3, and I'm entering only 2 out of that, and the value I have entered as 5. Press enter key, and now again I am getting a error message of this status has been changed to 3 because it is now validated, but it is not closed. So, still if I want to close this MIC with only entering the result for 2 out of 3, my sample size is 3, which need to be inspected. Still, I want to close it, then I can forcefully close it, select this post closure option, and then the status has been changed to 5 now, and then save it. Now, if I refresh it, it is inspected. Let's do the usage decision for this lot. Now I'm not getting the message even if I haven't entered the result for the second MIC. Sample size was 3 to be inspected, but I have entered only 2. If you want to see the detail here, the inspected quantity is 2. Okay, whereas my sample size was 3. Let me go back, click on this icon. Then you will get the who inspected this, at what time you have forcefully closed this MIC. Let me go back and I can enter the UD code for it. Let me accept this and then click on save. Since the status is coming as 5, that's why it is not giving me the post usage decision message, even if you haven't entered the result. Refresh it, it is removed.